If your printer suddenly refuses to work, or if you keep getting weird errors saying the Print Spooler service stopped, don't worry, you're not alone. This issue is common in Windows 11 and 10, and in this video I will walk you through how to fix it step by step. Let's start with the basics. First, we're going to restart the Print Spooler service manually. Press Windows R to open the Run dialog box, type services.msc, and hit Enter. A new window will open with a long list of services. Scroll down until you find the one called Print Spooler. Double-click on it. Now, if the service is stopped, just click on the Start button. If it's already running, click Stop, wait a few seconds, and then click Start again. This simple restart might fix the issue right away, but that's not always enough, so next we will make sure the service is set to start automatically. In the same window, look for Startup Type. If it says Manual or Disabled, change it to Automatic, then click Apply and OK. Now let's clean up the spooler files. These are temporary files that can get corrupted and cause the service to crash. Press Windows R again and type %window%/system32/spool/printers. Then press Enter. It might ask for permission, just click Continue. Now you will see a folder possibly filled with some junk files. Delete everything inside that folder. Don't delete the folder itself, just the files inside. After that, go back to the Services window and restart the Print Spooler service one more time. If the problem keeps coming back, you might have a buggy or outdated printer driver. Once you have followed all these steps, your printer spooler should be stable and working properly again. If it helped, don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. And if you're still stuck, drop your exact error message below and I will try to help out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next Tech Fix.